Hello everyone, it's Red with RedDragonLeo.com and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. We are looking at the 60-minute chart here, and looks like I got fooled again. This is nothing new here lately. I did expect a move up, and basically though I was looking for a kind of a flat pause day, not a huge rally day to completely wipe out this entire move down, which is, I guess I shouldn't be surprised with the market. I mean, they fooled me here many times. This being this pattern here coming down and going sideways, put in a bear flag, and that failed. We went up. Then we put in a bull flag, and that failed. It went down. And then we put in this from right here up to here to here to here to here was just an M. And then there was an A. But you can't see it here on this 60-minute. Actually, if you look on this 15-minute or 30-minute, I believe you can see it better. Well, no, let's look on the 15-minute. Yeah, you can see it here. If you actually was to go from here to here to here and right down to there was your M. Then there was the A, and then a quick move down here to make the right side of the A, and then a continuation of the A. And so then that set out the pattern for a larger MA pattern, which was counting from here all the way to here, and then the left side of the A going up here. It was at that point that I said that I thought we would break out and go on up, and I got fooled there, and we tanked yesterday, which was a shocker. On a light volume Tuesday, holiday week, they tanked it. So that obviously went down and made the right side of the A. So we no longer have any MA patterns that I can see here. And then this sideways trading looked like again a bear flag, which like I said, I thought we would go up a little bit, but nothing like what we did today. So now we're outside of this this area here on this triangle. Ron Walker thought it probably would play out to the downside too. I think even Cobra thought it'd play out to the downside. So lots of people thought it'd play out to the downside. I just thought it'd be a pause day with slight up, but just because of the light volume. But I don't guess anybody called that one right. Total manipulation, of course. We know it was very, very light volume on the SPY today. Nowhere near the 200 million. We had 140 million shares traded, so that's like nothing. It's very light. So, but that's to be expected with this kind of manipulation in the market. So now we're outside of this falling triangle, but we still have not broken above here. So, is fourth time a charm? I don't know. Are we going to roll back down, or are we going to just pop right on Friday? Friday is only half a day, so you got to figure that they're going to make it bullish and are going to run this thing up. How high, I don't know. It's possible that they run it back down here first and hit this trend line of support. That's possible on this 15-minute chart. And, maybe go a little bit deeper here and then finally recycle back up. I say that because although the 15-minute looks like it's ready to roll back up, the 30 and the 60 don't. As you can see, the 30 is still pointing down. Here it's losing strength, and it really needs to kind of dip down here and recycle back up, or at least get, to where it could maybe not go negative, but at least kind of dip down a little bit and then maybe put in another hump, you might say, like here or something. Or more like this one, I guess, would be kind of like it's falling, losing strength, and then up, get a little bit more energy. It's kind of one of them numbers. So that's possible, or it could just simply go down here and put a very briefly go below the zero mark. That is if we go down a little bit and back test this line right here, because we are outside of this now, and so that would make the logical sense that we would go back and back test that. Plus, we had a fake print towards the close there of 119.51 on the SPY. Then we closed at about, 120 something. So yeah, 120.20, $120.20, and we had it for 119.51. So that's probably just about this back test level here, and maybe that's where they're going to take it to back test it, let that thing reset, and then go back and close it at whatever level that they want to close it out on Friday to expire all the options worthless. So you look at this on the 60-minute chart, same thing. You draw a line from here all the way down as best you can, and this could go back testing, and then maybe go forward from there if they want to keep on going up. So it's hard to tell because we're not massively overbought like here with the 7.5 reading, knowing that we were going to go down. We're sitting right here at the zero level. We could roll over, or we can keep right on going up. Yes, we are at the 80 level here, but it could just go zigzag, or it could just roll right back down. It's just like here, where I got fooled here, where I was looking for this MA pattern to break up and break out, figuring it was a third hit of it. Now we got the fourth hit of it, and we still did not break over, which was very, very strange. With the light volume, they could have done it, but they did not. So that's something to be concerned about, for at least if you're bullish, because they might still dip it down one more time, maybe just to fool the bears, the bulls. It's a possibility. It's just right now, and seems to be in no man's land, just chopping up and down. But I thought that we would dip down and just keep on going up right at this point, and we didn't. We were aimed up, just like we were aimed up here, but we didn't. We rolled back down. Now that we're up, it is just difficult to get a read on this market. It's very, very difficult. The longer time frame here, I thought we were going to roll up at this point. Like I said, I thought it was done. It was going to roll up. No, it had to go back down. Now it looks again like we're ready to roll up. We do got a cross here, but we were all very close to one there on the 65, 90, and 12 periods for the MACDs. If it's a little bit longer time frame. So, all I can say is that Friday is half day for us here. It's Thanksgiving, barring that they do not do a repeat of Dubai with some other more bad news with North Korea. It's going to have a tendency to float up. I know it seems crazy because it, appears to be in overbought territory here, at least on the histogram bars, and it is, but it's not overbought on the MACDs. They could go way up here to 7.5. So daily's not giving us much help. But I will say this. This daily right here looks an awful lot like this over here, the April high. And what you'll see about it is basically where we have a run up to the high, and then a down move that goes about 40 or 50 points down. Very, very similar to this right here. Now this one took more days for it to go down, but it did go down. Then it turned and went up for a few days. Well, we did the same thing here. We turned and went up for 2 days. Then we had a big sell day just like yesterday, and then reversed it the next day, and then finally sold off into the flash crash. At the same time, you'll notice the light gray 10-day moving average and the 20-day moving average, they crossed right there. Okay. And it started pointing down. Well, looky where we're at right here. We kind of had the same scenario. We went up, and we went down in a large down day, and we reversed it all today. And we banged right back up on that 20-day moving average, and there is a cross already. So are we carving out some type of B wave here in an A, B, C move down with a final wave 5 up? assuming this is wave 3 up and this is wave 4 down and wave 5 up into January. Which is what I do believe is going to happen. I still believe we're going to hit that diamond fake print of 118.16, about 11,800 on the Dow, about 1260 to 1280 range estimate here on the SPX. Don't know the exact range, but we test to see it when we get there. But obviously this right here is a necktie of support at 1130. Now, I guess it could keep on going here, but I just don't see that very often, that we have a move down like this and it ends in basically one wave, and then we go up and then can keep on going up. It's basically this type of move is generally a 3-wave pattern, and we essentially have not had it because this low did not take out this low. So therefore, this move here is more of a 1, 2, 3 wave up so far. It's not going to classify. It's not going to be classified as this being a wave 1 or an A down, this being a 2, and then this being a 3 or C. It just doesn't work like that. This. It could be. I mean, certainly when we look at it here, it's looking like it wants to curl up and be bullish. It is looking like it's wanting to go here on the histogram bars. Here, it's not giving us any direction at all. So it's looking like it here on the RSI, barely above 50, but pointing up. You got light volume, Friday, Thanksgiving. Odds are strong for a breakout right here, but I still find it odd that we haven't had another leg down yet. I still think that there should be one more move down. And whether that happens Friday or they wait till Monday to do it, or Tuesday of next week, I don't know. But to me, it's just like here. You have a move down, you have a move up, and you have a wave down. So that's a 1, 2, 3, or that's A, B, C, ever how you want to call it. Same thing here. You had to, we had more waves than that. You had like 5 waves down here. But the point being there is that it just doesn't seem right, and it seems eerily similar to over here, where we had the 10 cross the 20, and you had the one fake rally up day, and you got the big rally up day here. So I don't know what to tell you for for Friday. I probably just stay out of the market. If you're not already positioned, stay out of the market. On Cobra's chart here, you can see that we did hit and close just a hair above the center band here, the center mark for the Bollinger Bands. This being the lower one, and this being the top one. We closed right below it there. Not really showing much here on this. Here on this one of Cobra's chart, this is showing same thing. We're banging right here, just right on it or below it of the moving average here. If it's the blue line here, I think it's a 20. So again, I just don't know what to say here. The dollar, I was looking at the dollar here. The dollar on the 60 seems to still be wanting to go up, and I think on the daily, I don't have a chart of the daily, but the daily is wanting to go up as well. If it should take the market down. The Arun here is obviously losing power on the buy side, and we still haven't had a major turn up yet on the sell side, the red one, and it looks eerily similar to other patterns, like here, August. Same thing. They're moving down again, a 1, 2, 3 wave down. So I still am looking for another wave down. I just don't think we got it yet. So anyway, folks, don't know what to tell you. Just stay out of the market, I guess, Friday. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. See you guys, and good luck.